RiaTech 3-in-1 screen cleaning kit with microfiber cloth and brush for electronic devices. Remove dust and fingerprints without streaks, flocks or stains. This top quality cleaning kit is supplied with a high quality cloth and brush to clean your LCD and LED properly. The unique solution easily removes dirt, dust and stubborn fingerprints, and it includes a soft reusable microfiber cloth and a keyboard brush that wipes cleanly without scratching your sensitive electronics. It is perfect for TVs, computer monitors, tablets, cell phones, digital cameras or any electronic devices with a screen. This cleaning cloth absorbs dirt and dust particles. It also absorbs oil and grease particles. The microfiber cloth is washable and reusable. Our product is non-toxic, odorless, alcohol, ammonia and phosphate free. It can be used to clean TFT display screens, notebook screens, PDA screens, printer screens and CDs safely, while no scratches and tracks are left and it won't hurt the screen code.